a spot by the split rail fence. It's so nice outside, why's my dad so tense? He'd spit in the dirt, said, boy, eyes peeled, but he's the one shaking in the field. I learned real quick what tough looks like, and it ain't my dad when we're on a hike. My dad is scared of birds, yeah, scared of birds. He talks all tough till the roosters burst. My dad is scared of birds, scared of birds. Bird jumps, so does he, and I know it hurts. Whoa! We were slogging through the wheat by the frozen creek. I saw him fall and bite his cheek. A pheasant blew up from under his boots. After he screams, he tries to shoot. Spin a shell like this month's paycheck. Not even close, what did he expect? My dad is scared of birds, yeah, scared of birds. He talks all tough till the roosters burst. My dad is scared of birds, scared of birds. Bird jumps, so does he, and I know it hurts. Strategy, says he meant to give it room. He was just scared, I assume. One wing beat, one yelp, one ruined mood. I looked at him and said, put him in the tomb. Then he hid behind me and the gun went boom. My dad is scared of birds, yeah, scared of birds. He talks all tough till the roosters burst. My dad is scared of birds, scared of birds. Bird jumps, so does he, and I know it hurts.